Hello! Today guys, meron tayong boxes na dumating pero binuksan ko na siya kasi kailangan kong i-check. So we have boxes and then we have also jewelries and we have a orange box too. And we will start with this one. Here we have vitamin C, good for 3 months. Ayan. From Japan, good luck. And then we have also here a jelly type collagen mango flavor. Yan siya. And then we have also a placenta berries flavor also. This one is good for 1 month. So yan, partner yan sila at maganda to siyang gamitin. Hindi lang sa mga babae, pwede din sa mga lalaki. Ayan. So this one is collagen, mango flavor, and this one is berries flavor na placenta. Good for 1 month. And then we have collagen, also DHC. We have also DHC, good DHC collagen, good for 2 months, good for 2 months, and the other one is good for 3 months, 1 month. So you choose which one you like, the tablet or the jelly type. Mas mataas yung contain nito ng collagen kaysa dito kasi dito is 2,050 lang, eh dito is 3,300. Okay, and then this orange is good for 1 month. And then now we have, I'll show you first the other one. And here we have a scarf, Celine brand. So yeah. Celine brand scarf, big one. Malaki po siya, guys. Ayan. And then we have also Hermes. Comes with a box and cards. A gentle reminder from Hermes about the scarf. Do not wash your Hermes scarves. Send them to your dry cleaner and please remember that printed silk may be damaged by rain. OMG. So make sure that your printed silk scarf hindi mauulanan or else it will be damaged. Maniwala ba kayo? Hindi ako naniniwala. Masyado lang OA ha. So, yeah, Hermes. So, ito yung Hermes. And comes with box. Cards, too. Yan siya. Okay. And comes with box. And cards also. And then we have also this Burberry scarf. Mahaba po to siya konti. Ayan siya. We have here jewelries, guys. Ito ba natin ito ilagay? What? So yeah, this is our 20 grams, 12 cut, 8 cut. 20 grams, 8 cut. And then we have here Monaca anklet. Yan. And then we have also a citrine ring, 24 carats ang stone. Ganda niya, oh. Pak! Ayan siya, oh. 24 carats ang stone. And then we have initial letter R with diamonds. Malaki po to siya. Malaki po to with diamond. And then we have a camellia necklace with black diamond and diamond. Ako'y, ayan na naman siya. Ayan, saglit lang. Ito muna tayo. We have here a big ring, a nightingale ring. So, yan naman siya. Ang ganda nito. Solid yan siya. Walang bato. And then, yes, wait, I have to, and this one, we have this one, if you still remember, I was scared of this one, I don't really like it, my God, I don't like seeing it. Ayan, yung snake. Ay! I don't know, just don't like it. Yung mata niya is with diamond. Agay, ano ka? And then we have a tennis necklace with 5 carats of diamond. I forgot, guys. This is the horseshoe ring. Look at that one. Ayan pa yung horseshoe ring. Ang ganda niyan. Oh, maliit lang siya pero maganda siya. That one is available. This one is available. This one also is available. Citrine 24 carats. Oh, diba? Bongga. So, yeah. And the ring too. A nightingale. Ganda nito. I need to have my nails soon. I have to go to my nail fairy, Miss Fairy. Hello, Fairy. I'll see you soon. So, yan yung earrings natin. Okay. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys.